Greetings bakers, welcome to Bree's Food and Fun, and today I'll be showing you how to make this delicious homemade strawberry jam recipe. It's so yummy and delectable, like store-bought, but 100 times better. Feel free to place this on a biscuit, on a slice of bread, in a PB&J sandwich, or wherever you'd like. But please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Now, let's make some jam. You'll need 2 pounds of strawberries for this recipe. Here, I'm placing them into a colander, and I will rinse them off with water. You can even soak them in vinegar water to kill all the bacteria and remove the excess dirt. Be sure to shake off all of the water, the excess water, and you want the strawberries to be really dry. You can even dry them with a paper towel. Now, cut your strawberries in quarters. This is really important because you really want to have as much surface area as possible to quicken the cooking time. Here are all of the beautifully quartered strawberries. Now add in 2 cups of sugar and mix it in with a spatula or your hands. As you continue to combine these ingredients, you'll see that it becomes more liquidy or juicy. This is good. You can even add in your lemon juice and let it sit in this mixture for about an hour. This process is called maceration and provides it with more flavor and shortens the cooking time. As you can see, I'm adding the juice of half a lemon here and mixing it back up. Pour your mixture into a medium-high pan and you'll see that it begins to cook and boil or simmer. As time progresses, you'll see some foam accumulate on top. You'll want to remove that. If you leave it, this mixture or the jam will become seedy and grainy. You won't like the texture. Now mash it down with a masher. This is optional. And as time progresses, you'll see that more foam accumulates. Remember, remove the foam. Let it cook for about 10 to 20 minutes, depending on how long you need. And place some of the jam on a frozen plate. Place it back in the freezer for 2 minutes and sweep your finger across the jam. If it does not fold back in on itself, then your jam is done. Here's some of the cool jam. Now transfer it into a jar. Ended up removing the excess foam from the jam and set it aside to cool. Here's the jam after it cools down. So wonderful and sticky and just lovely. Here I am with another biscuit, spreading it on top. This jam is so delicious and yummy. I am so satisfied with the results. It's so nice and thick and wonderful. This is totally worth everything. Like, it was so wonderful. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Please try this out. Let me know how it came out. Look at that beauty. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.